Hello, I'm Caroline, Principal and Director at Two Shoes Dance Academy.
I am thrilled to announce we will once again be holding programs to bring some joy and fun into your homes. For our littlest dancers aged 8 years and under, Miss Ava will hold a Storytime ballet where she'll read a fairy tale for each class. Miss Ava will then create a dance showing the children how the story comes alive with musicality and movement. For those aged 8 years and above, Miss Alana from New Zealand will be teaching the moves to the very popular TikTok dancers. There may even be a challenge take place. Each program will be held over 2 sessions, and our 8-year-olds can take one of both styles if they choose.
Book your spots today. We'd love you to join us these school holidays online here at Two Shoes Dance Academy.